What up, OG triple OGs? I'm back here with another video. Dab on them. So today's video, as you see, I'm in my car, so I wanted to shoot this video because I'm at work currently and I wanted to kind of shoot this video and whatever and do like an unboxing on camera like I always do. So of course I got some from the handy dandy Walmart that I work at, and this video is going to be an unboxing of the Milani Gilded Valid Eyeshadow Palette. You get this at Walmart. I think this is new and stuff like that and stuff, so I kind of want to do an unboxing of that. That looks cool. So it's like two of them. I just want to do a review of this one. Something's in my eye, Lord have mercy. So yeah, this is one. This is it, and this is the Milani Gilded Valid palette, and then I think it's another one, I forgot the name of it. So we're gonna get into this palette and stuff like this, and I'm gonna unbox it on camera, and I'm gonna open it with my handy dandy box cutter here. Yeah, so this is today's video. I never had an eyeshadow palette, so this will be my first, and Milani products are pretty cool. So let's see what we got here. This is gonna be pretty. I feel like the colors, I've seen the colors are on the back, and from the colors it looked like it's gonna be a real pretty palette. So we're gonna open it here in the car, and the palette looks like this. Really pretty. The colors are Your Majesty, Very Valid, Past Curfew, No Angel, Kiss Kiss, Deep End, Heavy Petal, Melodrama, Full Moon, and then the other stuff is Seeing Stars and it's Delicate. So we're gonna open it up here. I'm gonna do it like this so you guys can see how it looks. And it includes a mirror. It's so pretty. Hold on. Oh, this pretty colors, bro. This is so pretty. So it looks like this, and it's very pigmented, y'all. It's so pretty. I love the glittery shit right here. That is so pretty. That one is called Deep End. I think that's a very pretty color. And then this one is Very Valid, and this one is Your Majesty. Then you have No Angel, Kiss Kiss, Deep End, Heavy Petal, Melodrama, and Full Moon. And then you got the Seeing Stars and it's Delicate. So that's the palette, y'all. It is so pretty. Like so pretty. The colors are so pretty. So yeah, that is the unboxing of this what's name. It has matte valid, subtle shimmers, electric pops of metallic color, undeniably gilded valid mattes. So it's very pretty, y'all. You guys want to look on this, tell me. I would definitely do a look. It's very pretty. It's good for like a going out type of vibe. That's what it gives me. A type of vibe, like a going out type of vibe. This is good if you're going out like at the nighttime type of look. So this is very pretty. So yeah, you can get this at your local Walmart. I think it was only $18 for this. So yeah, it was only $18, and you can get this at your local Walmart. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a look on this. This is a very pretty palette. I might get the other one because the other one has like all different types of like green and stuff. So yeah, that is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 100. We're almost close to 100. So keep liking, keep subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay up. And thanks for kicking with an OG like me. Okay.